I'm seeing the Toyota logo here.
And a dragon. I like Game of Thrones. I think this might be the coolest rickshaw I've ever seen.
I think it'll be similar like to the one time I went skydiving.
This is actually kind of a dream come true. Did you fear for your life at any point? Just a little bit.
Can you imagine commuting like this?
We decided it would be better than a smart car. I mean,
Yeah.
you can park this thing anywhere, right?
We need Uber tuk-tuks in the US.
Do you think they come disassembled, like in a box? This is as fast as it gets?
Faster, faster. Let's break that 10-mile run.
It's over.
Good shukriya. Thank you so much, sir. That was awesome. Clutch, clutch.
I'm not getting more comfortable with this idea. Oh, hey.
Where's the brake? He didn't explain the brake. I want to get out now.